and welcome to our Love Seats digital marketing consultation. My name is Jill Carlson.
My name's Nina Wang.
And our professor is the wonderful Danny Dong from Arizona State University. Through this consultation, Nina and I will take you through our plans to increase Love Seats website traffic, increase app installs and traffic, expand reach, and increase conversions. With these goals in mind, our long-term goal is to increase Love Seats brand awareness and revenue. There we go. Live music and sporting events are each projected to generate over $16 billion in revenue in 2024. Each market is expected to grow to over $18 billion by 2028, providing Love Seats with the opportunity to capture a larger portion of the market share. The demand for live experiences is fueled by social media and streaming platforms, where consumers can follow and stay up to date with their favorite artists and/or sports teams. Some challenges in this market include high-priced tickets, lack of transparency in fees, and fraud and counterfeiting, which Love Seats' current mission aims to solve. Moving on to customer segments to target, based on the red and pink bars on the first graph, it is clear that the largest age groups in the market for tickets for concerts, music festivals, baseball games, and basketball games are between the ages of 18 and 34, which fall into the Gen Z and millennial generations. These two generations are cost-conscious digital natives who rely heavily on mobile devices for communication, entertainment, and purchasing. They have a preference for personalization and are more likely to engage with brands that understand consumers' preferences and provide relevant offerings and tailored recommendations. Love Seats' mission of no hidden junk fees while purchasing events tickets caters to the cost-conscious nature of these segments. With the initiatives Nina and I will discuss shortly, Love Seats will gain the ability to provide more relevant offerings and tailored recommendations to customers. Sorry, my screen's being a little funny here. Okay, moving on to customer personas. Based on the millennial and Gen Z age segments, Love Seats should be targeting with marketing initiatives. We came up with two personas to keep in mind as we begin discussing our recommendations. College student Casey enjoys attending local events with friends and follows her favorite artists on Instagram and Spotify to stay up to date with tour dates and album releases. She is frustrated about recently missing out on an opportunity to see a band she likes at a local venue because she was unaware they were in town. Casey could benefit from personalized recommendations, notifying her that bands she listens to often will be performing in her area soon. Moving on to Millennial Max, who split season tickets to watch the Chicago Bears with his friends this season. Max has a 6-week-old baby at home, and while he enjoys getting out of the house, he did feel guilty leaving his partner all day while attending the last game. He wishes that he could sell his 100-level tickets to the next game to someone looking to upgrade their seats at halftime so he can return home to relieve his partner. Max could benefit from Love Seats' in-game ticket exchange option. However, he's unaware that this revolutionary possibility exists.
Currently, Love Seats is experiencing some big challenges with their SEO strategies. The website SEO only has a score of 55 out of 100 compared to the average score of 74 out of 100. According to SEO Site Checkup, Love Seats' website is also missing title tags and meta description tags, which has severely impacted their website traffic and visibility. So here are some examples of improvements that we think Love Seats can use to increase their website SEO. For the actual website, we believe having separate search boxes for the event location and dates would create a more user-friendly interface for people who know what they're looking for. We also suggest adding a meta title tag next to Love Seats' name on the search engine to provide a quick understanding of what the page is about, and a meta description summarizing the website's content, and also a search bar and site links for easier access.
On-site SEO. When searching for concert tickets on Google, Love Seats does not appear on the first search engine results page in the sponsored or organic search results, unlike their competitors. So it is one of our goals to improve the company's rankings through organic search engine optimization. Keywords are used by search engines to categorize a website, assess relevance, and rank search results. It's crucial that Love Seats utilize more keywords to improve search rankings and make it easier for ticket seekers to locate their website. Each keyword must be mapped to the associated page on Love Seats' website to ensure smooth navigation for visitors and to keep the website's bounce rate as low as possible. Through our research, we found that the use of long-tail keywords, which are multi-word phrases, will improve Love Seats' search engine ranking quicker than using primary keywords alone. This is evidenced by the last image on this slide, that denotes searches that Love Seats actually ranked in the top 5 for. As you can see, these are more specific search phrases rather than a single keyword. For example, if Love Seats was looking to target ticket seekers last year for the opening night of the Eras Tour, the long tail keyword should be Taylor Swift tickets Phoenix, since consumers search for Taylor Swift tickets more often than Eras Tour tickets. Secondly, Love Seats should format their website so the search engines can accurately assess it to boost rankings. Primary keywords such as tickets or resale tickets should appear in the title tag, meta description, and header tag. To improve relevance score, Love Seats should utilize a title tag, and we recommend using Love Seats, all tickets, no fees. Love Seats should also add a sell button to their website to inform visitors that they can post their tickets for sale with Love Seats. Websites with more pages that target keywords relevant to the business tend to drive more organic traffic. Moving on to offsite SEO. When a customer purchases tickets from Love Seats, they will of course be sent a triggered confirmation email. This email should include a link for ticket holders to access their event tickets through the Love Seats app to encourage app installs and usage. The confirmation should also prompt ticket holders to share their experiences and tag Love Seats, providing social signals that can improve the brand's visibility. Incentivizing users to share their experience with free concert tickets or other giveaways will increase the likelihood that they actually do. To improve SEO, we also suggest creating a Love Seats Pinterest account to share festival and game day outfit inspiration from ticket holders who share their looks on social media and tag Love Seats. Pinterest can improve SEO by helping to increase Love Seats' website visibility and search results, improving the website's domain authority, and driving traffic to the website from a new audience. We also advise including tidbits about Love Seats, other key features, and confirmation emails as well, so ticket holders are aware of the ticket selling and in-game seat exchange options, deepening their brand understanding.
We also discovered that Love Seats has a very little social media presence compared to its competitors. With a total of around 15,000 followers across all the major social media platforms, this number is about 200 times smaller than the audience base of its competitor, Ticketmaster. Engagement has also been low for Love Seats across social media channels. And during our research, we also found that Love Seats does not have any social media meta tags, which could be one of the reasons leading to its poor social media outreach. In order to increase Love Seats' social media audience base and interactions, we suggest launching various campaigns on each major platform. For example, for Instagram, we could start using a hashtag campaign for people to share pictures of their unique experience through Love Seats. And for TikTok, a dance trend representing the action of swapping seats at the event could bring a large amount of traffic and highlight Love Seats' unique in-game seat exchange feature. Additionally, we could leverage Twitter and Facebook to create a platform for people to share their personal stories with Love Seats. And all of these social media campaigns will likely drive traffic and sales to Love Seats using people's organic posts while requiring little to no budget.
If you recall our customer personas, college student Casey and millennial Max, they, like many in their generation, follow their favorite artists and sports and have a preference for tailored recommendations. Based on that information about our target segments, we came up with the following initiative to achieve our goal of increasing app installs and conversion rates. Much like the Apple Watch pairs with sleep tracking apps and fitness apps to track health and fitness metrics more granularly, we propose that the Love Seats app pairs with entertainment apps to provide more accurate recommendations and notifications to increase engagement and conversions. For example, the Love Seats app will receive data regarding what artists a customer listens to on Spotify and what sports teams they follow on the ESPN app to target recommendations shown to consumers. Most entertainment apps such as Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube do have public application programming interfaces, or APIs, which allow for seamless data integration between apps. This process will require a product manager to identify the user data needed from each app and software developers to implement the APIs to pull the relevant data from each application. To optimize the workflow, I'd recommend bringing on a technical architect to manage the project and research the public versus private APIs, which is the most time-intensive aspect of this process. Once API integration has been completed, Love Seats app users will receive email and push notifications about events in their area they may be interested in based on their activity with other entertainment apps and be prompted to purchase tickets.
Jumping back to social media, We believe that collaborating with influencers will be especially beneficial to expand LFC's outreach during the early days. We suggest three different types of influencers that LFCs can work with to maximize brand visibility and conversion rate. The first one is nano music influencers or DJs. Due to their smaller audience size, LFCs and the influencer can come to a mutually beneficial partnership to promote the event itself and also drive ticket sales for LFCs. Another type of influencer we recommend working with is micro sports influencers because of their extensive fan base and their close involvement with the sporting events. Last but not least, we also emphasize collaboration with lifestyle influencers due to their more diverse follower base, which can boost interest across a wider range of demographics and locations. Here, we take the approach to include both mega and micro sorry, I'm not seeing the shared screen anymore.
Sorry, my Zoom just crashed. Let me share my screen. Okay.
Okay, going back to what I was saying, we take the approach to include both mega and micro lifestyle influencers. And mega influencers will be hired for large event promotions to drive significant traffic and conversion rates to Love Seats. And on the other hand, micro influencers will post more frequently throughout the season to maintain a high level of engagement between the fans and the brand. Moving on to our next strategy, we suggest Lufsy partner with the streaming services like ESPN to generate advertisements during live streaming events. This approach would integrate ads into live events by displaying real-time ticket availability for local audiences and also showcasing special offers to encourage immediate actions. For example, if there's a UFC fight going on in Arizona right now and they show the amount of tickets available at a discounted price during breaks or in between fights, a lot of local people, including myself, will be very tempted to go. This approach makes last minute attendance more appealing and it also leverages LFC's unique in-game ticket feature. Merch collaboration. Imagine buying a ticket to your favorite concert and snagging exclusive merch as part of the package. We can turn this into reality by partnering with artists, sports team, or online merch retailers to offer exclusive merch discounts with every ticket purchased through Love Seats. This can drastically increase the perceived value of the tickets and also encourage more frequent purchases. On top of that, it improves customer satisfaction and also differentiates Love Seat in a very competitive market. Similarly, the merch retail websites could also offer a Love Seat coupon code for people to use for future ticket purchases on Love Seat. Lastly, we also recommend using search ads that target specific keywords to capitalize on high intent searches to drive conversions. Next up, we're going to go over what the marketing schedule will look like with our suggested strategies during the upcoming year. Coming up in May through July is the festival and baseball season. We suggest extensive influencer collaboration during this time with a focus to increase Love Seats brand visibility. And in addition, we can pilot our app linking feature using teasers to push more personalized recommendation as outreach expands. August through October is a big sporting season. So we plan to leverage the in-game geofencing advertisements and search ads to drive ticket sales. We'll also work with sports influencers to keep growing our outreach and conversions. We also recommend starting to promote deals on the Love Seat app during this time to encourage app installs. November through January is relatively slow for sports due to the holiday season, but we still suggest running monthly collaboration with micro and macro influencers to keep engagement high during this time. And on the other hand, there's likely going to be a lot of winter concerts and events, so we can definitely partner with DJs for event promotion. Moving on to February, which will be a big marketing month with both the Super Bowl and Valentine's Day. For the Super Bowl, we suggest launching real-time social media campaigns to boost the in-game ticket sales. And for Valentine's Day, we can promote events on social media for couples to go to. Lastly, March through April will be March Madness and an NBA playoff season. So we predict that using social media campaign and collaborating with mega influencers will be a big boost to ticket sales. Additionally, we can utilize search ads to further capture the high intent potential customers.
For time's sake, I can summarize this really quick. So if you'll notice, the app linking budget does increase throughout the year as we forecast an increasing amount of app installs due to our marketing initiatives. For influencer marketing, Nina pointed out that we're going to do some campaigns throughout the year. At the beginning, of course, we're going to allot the largest portion of the budget to increase social media following. And then local streaming ads, of course, we will be running during the busiest seasons with sports. And then merch collaborations will be paying Fanatics 5% of every discount code redemption. And thank you for your time. Apologize for the technical difficulties. And we wish Love Seats the best of luck in accomplishing their brand goals.